Pink, what have you done?
I did exactly what I had to. Cut the rod right out from the root. Now be happy that I saved you from yourselves. She had you fooled, don't you see? She was no mother, she was a thief. Tempting you with all her stories. I took action, and boy, what's done is done. So now you stand against us. Need I remind you just exactly who brought you all this way? You wanna leave, be my guest, but sweetheart, don't you forget we give gifts and take them away. Your home is here forever, whether through love or terror. That's a choice you make. I won't be held responsible now. I'll make you hate and fear me. You wanna leave, then kill me. Either way, I promise you'll never, never get out. So why don't you take the shot? Go on now, take the shot. Oh, if you're man enough, why don't you take the shot? Boy, you act just how I raised you. All your clever plans are see-through. I'll let you stage your childish cue for now, but no, it's I who run this game. So you can mourn, move on, like how you picked her after 2 sons. Then if he is, and that's your response, you throw the one that raised you away. We own the suns and seasons, control the tides and breeze, and have to then convince you we're real. You thrive in the reason, the very air you breathe in. We are the gods of faith, the deity to which you should kneel. We should be loved and worshipped. By now I'd say we've earned it, but we hide and cower, hoping that you think we are here. A brand new world I'm seeing, give us something to believe in, and finally we'll be revealed. So why don't you take the shot? Go on now.